Hey friends, if you're looking to do a look like this, stay tuned. As always, I'm going to prime my eyes. I clearly did not want that in the shot, but it is from P. Louise. Then from Blends Bunny Blend Palette, I'm going to pick up the shade Mama Bear on a fluffy brush and just kind of buff that into my crease and slightly above and kind of going out into the V towards my eyebrow. Then with another fluffy brush, I'm going to pick up Truth and just buff that out towards the eyebrow. And just keep doing this until you're happy with the color and your blending. If you got it on the eyelid, that's okay. Just use your primer or concealer to cut that. We want the entire lid cut. Then with a pencil brush, I'm picking up Vamp. Use any dark shade you want here. We're going to put this on the outside corners of both part of the eye, so the inner eye and the outer part of the eye. Just use stamping motions so that you get that full pigment in that area. And go back and forth if you need to. Then on another pencil brush, we're going to pick up the color Chase, which is a nice bright pink, and add that right next to it. Again, using stamping motions to get that pigment to really pop. Just like that. If you made a little bit of a mess, it's okay. Just take your concealer or your primer again and just clean up that middle area. Then going in with a white, which I'm using Cream and Sugar from the Blends palette, I'm going to go ahead and put that in that area with the white. I did do about 2 coats to get it nice and bright white. And I'm just going to kind of a little go in on the pink, and then I'm going to take the pink with no extra product and kind of go in over the white just to get a nice seamless blend. Then with a shimmer shade or a glitter, you're going to put that on the white and just kind of drag it a little bit onto the bright pink or whatever your medium shade is. Just like that. We'll take off our tape to show our sharp edges. Looking good. Now we're going to bust out with our Mehron paint. We need to have 5 petals, and in order to do that, I'm going to make 3 dots, 1 high, 2 right below it, and then I'm going to make like a star shape for each set of 3. Now I didn't take into consideration of my hood, so I probably would have moved it a little further, but you know me, we make it work. I'm using the end of a paintbrush that's pretty small, so use whatever you need. Then I'm going to turn that paintbrush, drag each circle towards the middle of the flower. It'll give it a nice blend, gradient, and give you that shape that we're looking for. Go back in with some paint if you need to. Then with my medium shade, I'm going to tap in the middle of the flower just to give it a little extra color. For the center of the flower, I'm going to drag the white kind of like a J shape. I'm going to do that twice, then add 3 white dots to the end of each center, just like that. I wanted a little extra something, so I put 4 little dots here, 3 little dots here. You could definitely use gemstones. I was just on a time crunch. You know my rule, everything that goes up must go down. So I'm going in with Vamp and then Chase. Okay, let's add my finishing touches, and here's the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Is there a look that you want me to do? Let me know in the comments. Okay, bye.